Create a new project document. The proposed worksheet corresponds to the paper model for drawing up a cost estimate. Create a new entry directly on the sheet, simply by pressing the Int key on the keyboard. Enter a tariff code, a description, the unit of measurement, and the unit rate. Confirm and the new entry. In the dialog that appears, you will find other measurement info, and assign the item to any WBS previously created in the general data, but which can also be implemented from here too. At this point you just have to type the measurements, perhaps specifying, in the descriptive field, what they refer to. Thanks to the toolbar on each numeric field, you can insert subtotals, set values to negative, call up formulas, and much more. Use the F2 key on the keyboard to close and save the item, which is automatically shown in the price list of the document. Of course, you can also acquire the items from ready-made price lists. If you want to convert your price list, simply contact ACCA's support team. Open a price list and locate the item. With the various search functions, drag it into the calculation with a simple drag and drop. To reuse an item already present in the price list of the document, open the tool and, again with drag and drop, drag the item into the measurements editor. Finally, fill in the general data on the specific page. Launch the printout of the current view of the cost estimate. You can continue to customize the document with multiple options before printing on paper or exporting in various other file formats.